Good morning everyone, I am Jude Ronquillo Labalan of grade 11 STEM Titania, and this is my report about plants and animal cell. Cell. What is cell? So cell is a basic building blocks of all living organism or things. And alam natin that all living organism in this planet is composed of trillions of cells. And those cells have their own parts. Both animal cell and plant cell. So come join me and let's discuss about the parts and function of cell. This is my drawing, the cell, the parts of the cell of the plant and animal cell. So the first function, the first part is the cell wall. So here it is, cell wall. So the function of this part is to provide and to maintain the shape of the cell. Also, it protects the cell and it serves as a barrier of the cell. That's why it is called the cell wall. So the second part is the chloroplast. So here it is, the chloroplast. So the chloroplast, the function of this part is that it uses the energy from the sunlight to form a glucose molecule from carbon dioxide and water, the CO2 and H2O. This is what we call the photosynthesis on the plants. Ito yung parang gumagawa sila ng pagkain, ganun. And it is not present in the cell of an animal because hindi naman po nagpo-photosynthesis ang animals. Kaya wala po silang chloroplast. The chloroplast is only present in the cell of a plant. So the another part is the nucleus. It is present on both animals and plant cell. Here the nucleus and here the nucleus. So the purpose or the function of this part is that it protects the DNA. DNA never leaves nucleus. Hindi niya po iniiwan si nucleus. Pero it can send messages through the other parts of the cell even though hindi niya iniiwan si nucleus. So next one is the ribosome or ribosome. So this is the smallest organelles that can be found in all cell. So it is present here at the plant cell, and it is also present in an animal cell. So the function of this part is that it builds a protein by putting together a long chain of amino acid, and it serves as a site of protein synthesis and not photosynthesis, because photosynthesis ay nangyayari lamang po dito sa plant cell and it is not present here in a animal cell. So the next one is the mitochondria. It is present on both plant and animal cell, and here it is. And the other one is here. So mitochondria. Mitochondria is considered as the powerhouse of the cell. So it is considered as the powerhouse of the cell because of its function, which it is responsible for making adenosine triphosphate or ATP. It is the cell's main energy-carrying molecule na ginagamit sa lahat po ng reaction na ginagawa ng cell. The next part is the cell membrane. It is present in plant and animal cell. So, plasma and cell membrane ay iisa lang po. It is made up of phospholipids, and its function is that it controls what molecule are allowed to in and out the cell. Siya po yung nag-a-allow, siya po yung nagko-control kung ano lang po yung pwedeng pumasok at lumabas na molecules sa cell. Also, it provides protection to the cell. So, the another parts of the cell is the cytoplasm. So, this is the cytoplasm. Also here, cytoplasm. So, if you can see po, this part of the cell, yung yellow-green, and this part of the cell, yung light blue or blue, that's the cytoplasm. It is a liquid that fills the cell. As you can see, it fills the cell, and it is composed of a lot of proteins and dissolved ion that are involved in many cell reaction. Next is the vacuole. So, vacuole membrane. Here it is. Yan. As you can see, it is the vacuole membrane. So, a plant cell has a large vacuole membrane but isa lang, and an animal cell has a lot of vacuole membrane but maliliit. So, this is a membrane-bound organelles, and the function of this is to help the cell to balance water and stores water, food, and etc. Next is the Golgi apparatus or Golgi body, and here it is. Yan. So the function of this parts of cell is that it receives products from the endoplasmic reticulum and adds final modification, and it also sorts this product and send them to their final destination. Next is the Golgi vesicle. That one, the Golgi vesicle, katabi ng Golgi apparatus. Here. So, Golgi vesicle, it is referred to the traffic police because its function is to guide the cell's protein to their proper destination, or it guides the protein to their proper destination. So the next one is the lysosome. Here, lysosome. So, lysosome, it is a membrane enclosed bag of a digestive juice. The function of this thing is that it breaks down large molecule and old cell into their components, and it recycled them to produce a new cell parts that can be used to para na magamit na naman dito sa cell na naman. Na ito. So the next one is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is present on plant and animal cell. So, rough endoplasmic reticulum is studded with a million membrane-bound ribosome. It is involved with the production, folding, quality control, and dispatch of some proteins. So the other one is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So, this is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Here and here. So, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is a large associated lipid manufacture and metabolism and steroid production, also a hormone production. It has a detoxification function. That's its function, is to detoxify. So the last part of the cell is the cytoskeleton. So cytoskeleton is composed of the here is the cytoskeleton, and here. So cytoskeleton is composed of microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filaments. The function of this part is that it gives the cell its shape and it organizes the cell parts. And that's the part of the cell. So note that not every part of the cell are present on both plant and animal cell. For example, the chloroplast, which is only present in the plant cell. Also the cell wall, it is also present in the plant cell. Also the vacuole, present naman siya sa animal cell, pero maliliit lang yung andun sa animal cell. Maliliit sila pero marami sila. Unlike in a plant cell, it is large, malaki siya, pero iisa lang.